Did you know your business could face fines up to $10,000 or even jail time just for missing a single filing deadline? It's August 24th, 2025, and today, the U.S. financial system just changed forever. FinCEN's Beneficial Ownership Rule is now live. This regulation is shaking up businesses everywhere, from small family LLCs to multinational corporations, and if you don't understand it, you could be out of compliance before you even realize it. So let's break it down simply, clearly, and with no jargon. In this video, you'll learn what the Beneficial Ownership Rule actually is, who has to report and by when, what information FinCEN now requires, and most importantly, how can you protect your business and stay compliant? Stick with me, because around the 2-minute mark, I'll reveal the most overlooked penalty hidden in the rule that no one else talks about. For decades, criminals, tax cheats, and even foreign adversaries have used shell companies to move money without detection. Picture this. A company called Sunrise Imports LLC buys a luxury condo in Miami. On paper it looks legit, but behind the curtain, it's actually controlled by a billionaire hiding assets from sanctions. This loophole has cost governments billions and has fueled everything from organized crime to terrorism. That's why Congress passed the Corporate Transparency Act and why FinCEN is enforcing the Beneficial Ownership Information Rule today. In short, it's about transparency, no more hiding behind the fake names or complex ownership webs. Stick around, because in just a moment, I'll show you the one hidden penalty that's catching small businesses off guard. And while you're here, drop a quick comment. Does your business already know who its beneficial owners are? So what is a beneficial owner? It's the real person who ultimately owns or controls a company, not just the name on the paperwork, but the person pulling the strings. Under FinCEN's rule, a beneficial owner is anyone who owns 25% or more of the company, or anyone who exercises substantial control, like a CEO, manager, or even someone behind the scenes making the big calls. Here's an example. On paper, Jane is listed as the owner of XYZ Imports. But in reality, Mike funds the company, directs the deals, and controls the operations. Under this rule, Mike must be disclosed as a beneficial owner, not just Jane. This is how regulations cut through the facade and find out who's really in charge. Here's where the countdown begins. As of August 1st, 2025, all existing reporting companies must file their beneficial ownership information with FinCEN. Any new companies formed after that date, you've got 30 days to file after registration. Who has to report? Corporations, LLCs, and other entities formed by filing with a state office. Exemptions exist, like large operating companies with more than 20 employees, $5 million in revenue, and a physical office in the U.S. What do you have to report? Here are 4 key items. The first is full name of each beneficial owner. The second is date of birth. The third, current residential or business address. And a fourth, a unique identifying number from a government-issued ID. This all goes into FinCEN's new secure database, the Beneficial Ownership Secure System, or BOSS. And yes, updates are required if information changes. Here's the part too many businesses underestimate. If you fail to file on time or submit false information, the penalties are serious. Civil fines of $500 per day until corrected, criminal fines up to $10,000, and even potential jail time for willful violations. This is the hidden penalty I mentioned earlier. Even small LLCs, side hustles, or real estate holding companies aren't immune. Now don't panic. The goal isn't to punish honest business owners. It's to target those intentionally hiding ownership. But the law doesn't excuse ignorance. If you don't file, you're still liable. This isn't just an American idea. Around the world, countries are tightening beneficial ownership laws as part of the global fight against money laundering. The U.S. is now aligned with the international standards set by the Financial Action Task Force, FATF. What does that mean? Number 1, American businesses are under more global scrutiny than ever before. The second, financial institutions will integrate with this data into due diligence, meaning banks will cross-check what you report to FinCEN. Bottom line, if you want access to the global financial system, you must be transparent. Alright, so what should you do next? Here's your action plan. The first, check your status. Are you a reporting company? The second, identify your owners. Look for anyone with 25% or higher ownership or control. The third, collect documents. IDs, addresses, legal names. Fourth, file early. Don't wait until the last minute. 5. Stay updated. Any changes must be reported within 30 days. And the last, get expert help. A CPA, lawyer, or compliance professional can make sure you're covered. Remember, compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about protecting your reputation and contributing to a safer financial system. FinCEN's Beneficial Ownership Rule is one of the most significant transparency reforms in decades. Now here's your next step. If you want to know more about why your check gets held, watch my video on Regulation CC right here. Or, if you want to understand how credit scores really work, check out this breakdown next. I'm Jay, reminding you, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is freedom. Don't just learn the rules, use them to your advantage.